Here we go. So now, the minimum multiplier is 50x and the maximum multiplier is
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
What do you mean no more bonuses? I don't believe that what you said just now, Bingo. Sylvester, you're more than welcome to go and check the sound settings and turn down the volume. Yes, just a small reminder that there's an option like that. But you know what? I want it back to back. We actually did it. That's literally back to back now pachinko. So. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Okay, now we have visuals. And seems like that's 2x the smallest one spot, 200x the highest, and double on a side. Well, let's see in a second if we can continue here with the drop here. But listen, hoping for some good things. Gotta get lucky here. Doo-doo-doo. Santa Sack is open. Yes, play number 1. Yep. Seems like it. It's open, wide open. Yeah, hey Nada, hello everybody, yes. So yeah, guys, I apologize. We will proceed in a second, I suppose. But yeah, in the meantime, of course, a little chit chat possible. Thank you. Okay, everyone's running up the stairs to make that drop for you guys. Let's go. Running down and up and down. Come on, give us doubles of 200.
This is the amount of money issued, 748,471 euros.
In, you guys, we got the 200x rolling in. Thank you very much for your attention. 5.7k total winners. How about them apples? Oh, I feel exhausted, actually. We have been trying so.
These were Hermiao, Justine Morera, and Alex Stream. Topic due of 1,600 euros. And a betting time so you can place those bets again. Also, all the newcomers, welcome. Nice to see you here at Crazy Time. How you doing? How you feeling today? And a reminder, in this game, you can bet on any of the bonus game segments, multiple bonus game segments, all of them with one click of button. Same goes for the numbers segments, and you can use the autoplay that is available for you. We have Cash Gun 5X on the top slot. Maybe? Ladies and gentlemen, Cash Gun 5X. Boom, everybody! Can you bring a bit of a sheesh in the chat there? Cash Gun with a 5X. Woo! You see all these multipliers here? You know what? Let's just multiply them by 5. The 100X will become a 500X. Imagine 50s, 250, 75s, 375X multiplier. Max multiplier 500X. Let's add some symbols. Let's mix it all up. What you will have to do is pick a symbol. And right now, you will have a possibility to catch 250, 375, 500X multipliers. They're all available there. What you have to do is pick a symbol. And what is underneath there is the outcome. That is your victory. Also, you can use the auto pick, and then when the symbol is being picked randomly for you, you can try it out. Could bring you a great multiplier. You never know. All right, what am I going for?
This is the amount of money issued, 240,060 euros.
All right, 500X is right there. Congratulations to the winners. 500X from 28 of you. 375X from 233 of you. 5,061 winners. Topic is Lolo, Hermiao, Justine, Alex Stream. Topic to you, more than 7,500 euros with a 375X multiplier. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you catch there? Would have been 100X for me. That's lovely. All right. Here we go again. Turn it up. Bring it up.
Maybe he makes it. Oh, third coin flip in a row now. Hello? What is this? Welcome back to coin flip, guys. Alright, 2x on red. 100x on the blue. And there's a 2x from the top spot as well. 4x on red, 200x on blue. We gotta get that blue side. We gotta do it. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued for 109,972 euros.
Anyway, guys, enjoy your winnings. Enjoy that beautiful multiplier as well. And best of luck to you next round. 4,680.
Bet tripping, so go ahead, place the bets if you want to. Let's see what's next. During the scene, there was no top slot. We just did that. No top slot, but we definitely did a good job, you know. Best are closed. Yeah, what is the big win today? I really didn't know. 4x and cash in. Ring it sign. Really great. Can we do even greater? The fourth crazy time of our session, guys. Wowza. I don't even know at this point. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another crazy time. I know. So, let's see what you're gonna have this time, right? Come on, is blue gonna be as lucky as last time? Because now it is your time to make a decision. We ready? Ladies and gentlemen, the max multiplier is once again 100x. Let's see what we can do about it, right? Let's go, guys. Blue is in trouble. Another double for blue. 25x in green and 15x on yellow. Let's see the blue. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, now the highest multiplier is 200x. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 49,026 euros.
200x on blue. Hi. Congratulations to 1,561 winners. Nice today one. Let's see what's next. Well, blue is ruining the day. Definitely ruining the day. That's because I did not expect it to get lucky for blue once again. Sadly for yellows.
BMW, thank you. New BMW for me? Oh, you didn't have to. My new BMW, I need a front lip for my new BMW. I also need a new exhaust for my new BMW. So, you know, we can make a little deal here and there. My ladies and my gentlemen, epic style. 400X is epic style, I'll tell you what, okay? Thanks, Jimmy. 400X on crazy. I know, that's right. That's crazy. That is crazy. And we got a 2X on crazy time. And we got it again with a 2X top slot. LOL. Best of luck. Ladies and gentlemen, this time it's a double up on green, baby. And now we have the 400X as the maximum one. Boonga, baboonga. Good luck up on a stage safe, my ladies and my gents.
This is the amount of money issued 27,100 euros.
What is up, baby? 30X on blue, 40X on yellow.
10x on 5, okay. I mean, we definitely didn't have a coin flip for a very, very long time, so So look at this. It's a coin flip. A 5 definitely would have been better, but let's see. Maybe this one will be better. We don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another coin flip. Hi. So, we are gonna flip a coin. Let's see which side it will fall onto. Come on, give us something good. Okay. Well, definitely not as lucky would be as a 5, but we're still gonna take that 20, don't we? Come on, let's do it. Good luck, everyone. Yay, we got it. We got this 20, guys. Nice, nice. Congratulations to 1,303 winners. Nice to even, of course, now. That's very good. So go ahead, place your bets if you want to. Let's see what is next, shall we? Let's go. Bingo plus. Aw. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Come on. That's a close. We got it, bingo plus. We got it. Price and garlic. Well, we definitely could have used that last time. But we can definitely use it again, don't we, ladies and gentlemen? A coin flip with a top slot of 4x. Woohoo! We're back. We are back, guys. Yet again, we're gonna flip a coin. This time it's gonna be a little bit different and a little bit more fun. We have a top slot, guys. Let's see it. No! Oh my! My hat has fallen. My hat has fallen. I'm gonna hold this. 20x rage. Oh, if it's gonna be an 8, I'm gonna be so sad. Guys, let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 78,719 euros.
Hold on, let me put.
Visual representation, you know, of the volcano. Don't worry about it. Too much winnings today. Right. We're giving away too much money here. 3, 2, 1, hop. This past month, CTA is much better than CT main, in my own opinion. Right, I love myself some CTA as well. Wait, if we're getting this number cash funds, I am 5x top slot, lol. Lol, hey. Mama told me never lose, cause baby, you a winner. I was lurking around his blog, he was lurking on my Twitter at the trap with the Glocks. Baby Jimmy Babysitter or whatever. I don't know. It's not my song. Ladies and gentlemen, management, apply 5x, please. Thank you, management. Hey, and wish us the best of luck. Boom, boom. 500x max multi. How are we feeling about this one, ladies and gentlemen? How are we feeling about this one, yeah? Man, this is going to be lit. This is going to be awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, big time. It's your time to make a choice, ladies and gentlemen. We've got ourselves a big board of targets, and now what you gotta do, make your shot. Choose a target where you think the 500x is hiding, you know? Maybe choose your favorite position. If you don't want to choose, let it go auto.
This is the amount of money issued 62,228 euros.
Right to hero was a 500x. 15 players got the 500x. 1,762 winners. Congratulations, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I do be chilling out there. Ladies and gentlemen. Wait, Google me how. 154 winners. Congratulations to those who made the profit, ladies and gentlemen. Last crazy time was, right, 15, 50, 15. Right. Boom, boom. Enough, Jim. I know it's enough. You think it's me that's doing this? It ain't me. It's just that, you know, whatever come up, I'm just getting on an unlucky rush. Come on, give me this. Thank you. Hopefully this can get us some Coke with Mentos, ladies and gentlemen. Knock, knock, who's there? Hopefully many monies. Come on over, please. Come in. Hey, Mr. Larry. Konnichiwa, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Great Time. My ladies, my gentlemen, time to make your decision. Okay? Time to make your decision. Which flapper are you choosing? The green one, the blue one, or the yellow one? Looks like the green flapper is the most popular choice this time. 100x is the max multiplier. Good luck, everyone, and stay safe, my ladies and my gentlemen. Double up on the yellow flapper. Hondo XO maximum multiplier. Boonga baboonga da dinga da danga. Good luck, my ladies and gents. Double up on the yellow flapper. We have now quadrupled up, my ladies and my gentlemen. Hey, 400x on the yellow flapper is the maximum one we can get. Good luck, everyone, and stay safe.
This is the amount of money issued 129,600 euros.
Mike Wazowski. Oh, Mr. Mike Wazowski, 25x on blue, 35x on green, and a 400x on yellow. Congratulations to each and every one of the winners that we have had this round. Super also congratulations to the yellow pickers, to the players that chose yellow. Oh my diddly days. Mathinic, right? You're a yellow player. You're a yellow supporter. Coke with Mentos, baby. Coke with Mentos.
Congrats to winners. Callie, you're at the top. Betting time's open again. Don't forget about those bets. Let's go for another spin. Let's see where do we go next. One bonus, 100 collections. Ooga booga. I like to complain. And if I don't like the session, I don't leave, but I still complain in the chat. Ooga booga. That's me. Ooga booga. That's how it kinda sounds, not gonna lie. Alright, cash hammer at 10x. Honestly, to be or not to be? Tell me, is it? Yes! We got it! Ladies and gentlemen, cash hammer at 10x multiplier from the top slot. We hit it. Yes! Let's take it. Hello there. Good to see you, good to see you. Welcome to the bonus round of Cash Hunt with our 10x multiplier. About 100x right there, but of course we multiply everything by 10 times. Here we go. So now, the minimum multiplier is a 50x and the maximum multiplier is a 500x. Oh wait, 1000x. Let's go. Oh wait, technically that means we are actually getting the highest win of the day just because of this cash hunt. Yes! That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, baby. All right, now, stoppity stop. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is an important moment. It's your decision time. Make the decisions count. There's one 1000x icon right here. I don't know which one it is, but pick a target. We have 108 targets to choose from, and well, if you don't pick it up, the auto picker will pick it up for you. I'm picking...
This is the amount of money issued 135,106 euros.
There, actually pretty close to mine. So congratulations to all the winners. Let's go back to the game. Booyah! And we're back. We're back, ladies and gentlemen, after the cash hand with a 1kx. Yes! We got it. So, congratulations to winners. Bets it open again.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.